cute. Okay, let's send your pictures to Aunt Barbara. Oh, so cute. You guys are so stylish.
Yeah, I'm so jealous.
Now what if I dragged him by his leg across the floor?
What, the 3 pound drag the 2 pound? Ah, see it yet?
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
Daddy. No, but you gotta hold still coming there, Daddy.
You're
Nobody
being a
wants a booty
gosh.
shot. I can't see your head, Skyla. Come on. Oh yeah, that's a nice picture of the dog. Dog is. Oh, that's cute.
Huh.
So what are their papers' names? How long is that name?
He is Spirit Dane's Admiral William T. Riker's Static Storm.
Storm.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
So,
But
Rain
how
for
is
short.
how is Rain in there?
Storm? The Static Storm.
And then Miss Skyla.
Odysseus Skylus Charybdis?
Don't you think so?
Yep.
Smaller.
You think she's gotten smaller? I think she's
gotten smaller.
I think she's gotten bigger. And we don't belong to Costco anymore because we're going to Sam's.
Okay, we can take you to Costco.
What is News? Apple News? I don't even know what that is. Oh, it's Canon. Do you know anybody with Canon? The cartridges are expensive, so I don't want to throw them in the garbage. Could your FRG people, could you take, what about Skyla?
We do it once she does.
I didn't realize.
Hey, what's up? It's all right.
She's pretty, Jonathan. Is this hers? Hey! That's rude.
We're not afraid of you.
Well, I'm not really afraid of him other than he's stealing the horse's food.
What's he all skittish about, my camera?
No. She's a youngling. She's less than a year.
That wasn't yours, so I didn't give it to you. I'll pet you though. But you're a little rude.
That's eyebrows.
What happened to your horns?
Those got burned off the first.
Ouch. Are you Frappuccino? You're softer. Is this Frappuccino?
One with the red collar?
Yeah,
Yeah.
much softer. Why is Frappuccino softer? That's you.
It's empty. Empty, see? Empty. Empty.
What about these two? Don't they get fed?
That's all the hay for.
But they want some of what you have. Frappuccino.
Sorry, I don't have anything.
Oh, that's tasty, huh? Like this? That's what they do. Hey, Grabby.
Hey, buddy.
How many do they have? 9, I think? Wow. Is that good stuff? Oh, hello, sweetie. Maybe if you go next to
So the
Mommy,
fence
she'll
isn't
be
on.
there.
No. And the guy had stallions in that barn, and he barely came, and they were super bored, so they ended up eating the barn. So they ended up kicking him out.
I figured that.
Yeah. Oh no, the big hole up front is from the two ladies.
Nice girl. What's on her lip? bush.
It's just grass. Thank you.
Up there, buddy. How you doing? Huh? Yeah.
Irish Browns are smaller than Frappuccino. I like Frappuccino's name better. Oh, you sell them.
The owner wants 18. And I said no. It's not registered, it's not trained.
I'm surprised they only go for 8.
I don't know anything about
On the apple course when we go hiking, I'm like, something's gonna eat it.
it. It'll just decompose.
I mean, it's an apple core.
Yeah.
I pulled the sticker off. I don't throw that down the embankments. Look at you, you're so pretty.
What's up, buddy?
Gunner, no!
How,
Good boy.
Well, he's not sick.
Exactly, that's why he was over there. Because rain doesn't eat and he acts a little off when somebody would eat. So they called him for like 5 minutes.
ooh, that's the spot, huh?
And he showed up
Right behind where the horns
and
used to be.
Race all over him. He's got it on
Oh,
that
yeah.
way, inside, on his back.
You.
So he got
Enough.
a corral and the horse just got spat him. And he got in with her when she was in the Victoria area and she does not like dogs.
What do they do to keep them away from the chickens? Keep the chickens in the coop? That's it? Chickens in the coop.
Connor, no.
You can't eat candy. Is it okay to give it to him? It fell on the ground.
Yeah.
Kind of gross now. I'm sorry. Finish that one. That's what happened. You couldn't eat it because you were chewing. Isn't he pretty?
Mm-hmm.
This is the one we had to clean the butt of.
Oh, they come out and clean their own goat's fat. That was awful. That dog was beat and burned. And they paid professional trainers to train their dog and they went to visit it. Okay, right through the gate.
The chick's on Mom's back.
Trying to get him back in there. And there was nobody home.
No, Gunner.
He poked her out in the highway.
I don't know if that's normal or not.